Okay, good morning, my dear students.
Good morning.
Nice to see you again. The weather is not fine, is it? Okay, very nice. But we are going to have our lesson today anyway. So, today we are going to speak about traveling. So, our topic is traveling. And what does it mean in Russian? Traveling? Путешествие. Very nice. What was your home task? What was your home task? Home task?
New words.
New words, okay. New words. Everybody remember? New words. So we'll check. Everybody is ready? Готовы все? Okay.
No.
Что, оператор, как там?
Here they are. Here they are. I ask you, you answer the translation. Okay? So, what is single and return ticket? Very nice. To book a seat. Very nice. To arrive. To depart. Very nice. To land. To take off. Отделяться. Взлетать. Flight, what is it?
Рейс.
Рейс, полет. To hire a car. Very nice, good students.
Можно вопрос?
Yes.
А почему хайр, а не рент?
Бывает рент больше с какой-нибудь недвижимостью. Но может и рент. Но вот с автомобилями что-то арендовать, какое-то движущее транспортное средство, используется hire. Молодец, что рент тоже вспомнил. Very nice.
Только что.
Отлично. And some more words. It's easy. Легкие слова. So, what is it in English? Taxi. Right. This is
Train.
A train. Don't forget about the article. Airplane or just plane. This is a ship. Right. This is an underground. Yes. On metro, in bicycle or short bike. Bike or bicycle, very nice. This is a bus. This is a helicopter, and this is a car. Very well, well done. So let's go to our first task today. Our first task is new vocabulary concerning traveling. Все у нас сегодня будет касаться путешествий. Сейчас you see 5 paragraphs. 5 paragraphs, and in which there are more new words, more new useful words. Больше новых полезных слов. So we'll start reading and translate some of them. If you find out something interesting and useful, что-то хорошее, полезное для вас, you will write it down. Write down, запишите. Okay, Andrei, will you start reading from paragraph B? This, can I have single return ticket?
Can I have a single return ticket to Barcelona, please? Single Madrid to Barcelona. Return Madrid to Barcelona.
Okay, let's translate it.
Могу я иметь...
Ну, здесь have глагол купить. Да?
Могу я купить билет туда-обратно в Барселону, пожалуйста?
Сколько там, давай, single return ticket, вы знаете, you know this word already, right? Next, please.
I'd like to book resort a set in advance to make sure you have a stay. How much is it?
Translate, please.
Мне нравится...
I'd like, это I would like. How we translate? I would like. Не нравится, а как? Я бы хотел. I would like. Я бы хотел.
Надо резервировать место
заранее, да? Например, заранее. Хорошо.
Как я могу...
How much is the train? Там вот все это перечисляется, то есть любые виды транспорта. И последнее слово fare, нужное вам. How much вы должны знать? How much is the fish? Почем? Почем рыба? How much? Сколько будет стоить?
Проезд.
Конечно. Ну, проезд и вот тут на все виды транспорта. How much? Не знаю, это нужно
Тариф.
на рынке там. Антон, please, by train. Paragraph C. Everybody listening, please. By train.
The train 11 platform is
16.
65 train tickets. Поезд прибывает на платформу
3
часа.
Нет, платформа 3. А время?
Платформа номер 3 в 16:50
До
Парижа.
Парижа. Very nice. Next, please, continue.
The Edinburgh train depots leaves from platform 6. Эдинбургский поезд
Ну, поезд до Эдинбурга, да?
Скрывается с 6-й платформы.
Давайте, let's help Антон. Depart. Это не скрываться, а что делать?
Отъезжает.
Отправляется, да. Отправляется.
Специально.
Car. Здесь переводится как вагон. В поезде car. Запоминайте, такое оно необычное, но оно есть.
Поворот такой.
Значит, что спрашивает человек?
Есть ресторан.
Нужная вещь. Вагон ресторан в поезде. Now you are going to do some exercises. So you have 20 minutes here. They are the exercises. You have 20 minutes. And any questions? Ask me. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Very nice. So let's go. Okay. Here are your papers. I'll check them later. And now answer some of my questions, please, about transport. What kind of means of transport do you know? What kind of means of transport do you know, Dima? Какие виды?
Aeroplane.
What is else? Somewhere else.
Train.
A train.
Train.
Train. What else?
Car.
A car. A car. And one more.
A bus.
A bus. Very nice. And then, what is the fastest means of transport? What is the fastest means of transport?
Plane.
It's a plane, right? What is the slowest means of transport, Anton? What is the slowest?
Slowest. Bus.
Bus? And what about bike? Who is the slow? What is the slowest
bike.
or the fastest?
Тогда байк.
It's better bike.
Тогда байк.
It's better bike. And what transport do you use to go to get to the city center? To get to the city center, and why? To get to the city center, and why?
Underground.
Underground, and why?
It's fastest.
It's the fastest means of transport. It's the fastest means of transport, right? And what transport is your favorite? What transport is your favorite, and why? A car. It is a car. It's a car, and why?
It's the fastest.
Maybe it's not the fastest. Maybe you can get any place you like. Поехать куда хотите. You can get any place you like. And Vitaly, what transport would you use to go to the sea, and why? What transport?
I go to the sea is
Why? Why?
by airplane because fastest.
It's the fastest transport. It's the fastest means of transport. Okay, very nice. Okay, very nice. Let us continue. Now you are going to listen to a dialogue. It's called meeting at the airport. What does it mean? Station в аэропорту. Listen to it attentively twice. Twice. Alright? And then be ready to answer for my questions. Okay? Is it clear? So, very nice. Silence, please. So, listen to it.
Mary. I enjoyed a cup of black coffee and an ice cream. What was the weather like in Rome?
Oh, it was quite a hot day, not like here in London.
It's
Okay,
really...
now we are ready to answer for my questions. First question is, how many people are there in the dialogue?
2 people.
Yes, there are 2 people. What are their names? What are their names?
Mr.
Right. Where is the airport located? Where is it?
In London.
It's in London. It's in London. Well, where did Mr. Celeste come from? Where did he come from?
In Rome. He come from
From Rome. He came from Rome. Very nice. And what is the weather like in London? What is the weather like in London?
It is raining.
It is rainy today. It is raining today. Very nice. Well, now you are going to work with the dialect traveling by air. Путешествие самолетом. So, you will look through the dialogue. Choose your character. Choose a character. It's a pair word. Choose a character. Then, study English and Russian parts. English and Russian parts. Then, you will read in pairs in English and cover the Russian variant. And then you read and translate. Okay, is it clear? You have 15 minutes for this. Any questions?
No.
No? No questions. Okay, so let's go. So, okay, my dear students, time is up. But before you start reading, you will listen to this dialogue. You will listen to this dialogue once, and try to remember the pronunciation of any difficult words. Каких-нибудь сложных слов пытайтесь про себя проговаривать. Okay, is it clear? Okay, very nice. So silent, please. Let's listen to the dialogue.
Meeting at the airport.
Mary Brown's mother lives in Amsterdam. She can stand neither trains nor planes. That's why she never travels. Once in a while, Mary goes to Amsterdam tomorrow.
Yes, madam. Do you want to travel economy class or first class?
Economy class, please.
I'll check the timetable for you. Just a moment. There's a flight leaving Heathrow at 11:55 tomorrow, arriving in Amsterdam at 13:20. It flies non-stop.
That suits me. What time do I have to get to the airport?
You'll have to be at West London Air Terminal by 10:20 at the latest. The coach leaves for the airport at 10:30, but if you're going to the airport on your own, you must be there for
Okay. Who is going to start reading?
We are.
Yes, sure you are. So please, let's start.
Good morning.
Translation, please.
Доброе утро. Good morning. I'd like to book a seat on the plane for Amsterdam for tomorrow. Доброе утро. Я хотел бы заказать билет на самолет в Амстердам на завтра. Yes, madam. Do you want to travel economy class or first class? Да, мадам, вы хотите полететь вторым или первым классом? Economy class, please. И эконом... короче, вторым классом, пожалуйста.
I'll check the timetable for you. Just a moment. There is a flight leaving Heathrow at 11:55 tomorrow, arriving in Amsterdam at 13:20. Flies non-stop. Я проверил для вас расписание. Одну минуточку. Есть рейс в Heathrow завтра в 11:55 в Амстердам.
Прибывает в Амстердам, да?
Прибывает в Амстердам в 1:30 без остановок.
Okay. Before we go to the last part of our today's work, answer some more questions on this dialogue. So the first question: where does Mary's mother live?
She lives in Amsterdam.
Very nice. How often does Mary go to visit her? How often does Mary go to visit her? Lisa will try.
Once in a week,
Once?
will Mary goes to visit her.
Once a while. Very nice. What did she come to the Airways office? Okay.
She comes to an office of British Airways to book a ticket for tomorrow.
Very nice. What happened to her flight? What happened to her flight? Paul, will you? Paul.
Yes, this flight is delayed.
The flight was delayed. Very nice. Delayed. Это на что было по-русски?
Рейс задерживается.
Задерживался, да, delayed. Who was sitting next to her? Who was sitting next to her? Angelica, will you?
There is a lady sitting next to Mary.
Very nice. Why did the old lady go to Amsterdam?
She is doing business
Trip. Business trip. Was a business trip. Very nice. And now the final part of our today's work. It's a translation from Russian into English. So you cover the English variant and translate the dialogue in pairs, of course, from Russian into English. We'll choose a small part of the dialogue, which has small part. We'll start from the clear words good morning, yes, here it is good morning, and finish mere words thank you, goodbye, Is it clear? Okay, you'll have 10 minutes to get ready. Well, who is going to start? Andrei, with whom, and Vova. Okay, will you, so?
Доброе утро. Good morning.
Доброе утро. Я хотел бы заказать билет на самолет в Амстердаме на завтра. Good morning. I'd like to book for tomorrow.
Дамы и дамы, как расписание. На минуточку есть рейс из Хитроу завтра в 11:05, который прибывает в Амстердам в 17:20, летит без остановок. I'll check the timetable for you. Just a moment. There is a night leaving
Heathrow?
11:55. Tomorrow arriving in Amsterdam
20.
It flies non-stop.
That's you? Me. What time do I have to get to the airport?
You have to be at London terminal.
Okay, well done. Well done. Now we have 5 minutes left and write down your home task. Your homework is an essay, My Trip to. My Trip to, мое путешествие куда-либо. Imagine any trip you like. Представьте любое путешествие and use the future simple tense. I will, я буду, or I'm going to, я собираюсь куда-то поехать. Is it clear? Write it down. Now I'll put some marks for this lesson. It will be, I hope, good marks. It depends on you, of course. And is everybody happy?
Yes.
So the lesson is over. Goodbye. You are free. See you later.